Unlocking wealth through leverage. How to use leverage to build wealth. What if I told you that the rich don't work for money? That the game is rigged and you've been playing it wrong your entire life? While you're breaking your back for a paycheck, the wealthy are using one powerful tool to multiply their money without breaking a sweat. This is the secret they don't want you to know. The key to unlocking unlimited wealth: leverage. Imagine waking up one day and realizing you've cracked the code to wealth, not by working harder, but by working smarter. The rich don't just use money, they multiply it. What if I told you that you too could build massive wealth using the same hidden strategies the wealthy have been using for centuries? Stay with me, because what I'm about to share could change your financial future forever. The power of leverage. Leverage is the key to unlocking exponential wealth. It allows you to do more with less, whether it's through money, time, skills, or relationships. But most people don't know how to use it properly, which is why they stay stuck in the rat race. Today, we're going to break it down into simple, actionable steps you can start using immediately. Number 1, financial leverage, using other people's money. Financial leverage is all about using borrowed money to invest in assets that appreciate over time. The key is to use good debt that works for you, not against you. Successful investors and business owners understand that using other people's money, banks, investors, credit lines, accelerates wealth building. Actionable pro tip: start small by leveraging low-interest loans or credit to invest in appreciating assets like real estate or stocks. Avoid consumer debt, credit cards, car loans that depreciate in value. Learn about real estate syndications, where you can pool money with other investors to buy bigger, more profitable properties. Number 2, time leverage, multiplying your productivity. Time is the only resource you can't get back, yet most people trade it for money. The wealthy know how to use other people's time to scale their income. This means hiring employees, outsourcing tasks, and automating workflows so they can focus on high-value activities. Actionable pro tip: list all repetitive tasks you do daily, then delegate or automate them. Use virtual assistants or automation tools like Zapier to streamline processes. Focus on income-generating activities like networking, sales, and business strategy. Number 3, knowledge leverage, using other people's expertise. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. The fastest way to success is learning from those who've already achieved what you want. Books, courses, mentors, and mastermind groups give you access to decades of experience without the trial and error. Actionable pro tip: invest in courses or coaching programs that align with your goals. Read at least one book a month on finance, business, or personal growth. Surround yourself with successful people. Your network determines your net worth. Number 4, technology leverage, scaling with digital tools. Technology levels the playing field and allows individuals to compete with big corporations. Whether it's automating business operations, utilizing AI, or building passive income streams online, technology can help you scale exponentially. Actionable pro tip: start a YouTube channel, blog, or online business to generate passive income. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to create content faster and more efficiently. Leverage social media to market your business and reach a global audience. Number 5, relationship leverage, who you know matters more than what you know. Your network is your net worth. The right relationships can open doors, create partnerships, and provide opportunities that money alone cannot buy. Actionable pro tip: attend networking events and industry conferences to meet influential people. Provide value first. Help others without expecting immediate returns. Build genuine relationships, not just transactional ones. Stay in touch and nurture connections over time. Wealth isn't built alone, and it doesn't happen overnight. But by strategically using leverage, you can accelerate your journey toward financial freedom. Start thinking like the wealthy. Maximize every resource available to you. The best time to begin is today. Take action and let leverage work in your favor. You have two choices right now. You can keep doing what you're doing, stay in the cycle, and wonder why nothing ever changes. Or you can take control, use leverage, and build real wealth. Most people will ignore this advice. They'll keep working jobs they hate, living paycheck to paycheck. But you now have the knowledge. The question is, will you use it? Comment leverage below if you're ready to take action. Life is too short to stay broke. The rich don't have some secret talent. They just know how to play the game. And now, so do you. The only thing standing between you and wealth is the decision to start. Don't wait. Don't overthink. Take action now. Like this video if you want more financial freedom. Comment leverage below if you're ready to escape the 9-to-5. Subscribe so you never miss out on wealth building secrets. See you in the next video.